guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully and day 14 of Vlogtober. So y'all know we went through the whole painting process up here, but we're not putting anything back together because later on in the week we're gonna have carpet installed. So I have to work this afternoon, so I needed to move my office stuff downstairs temporarily, and instead of moving the desk and setting up down there with the desk and everything, I'll just set up on the kitchen table and I'll show you that. And then I'll also show you a little bit of updates we did with the laundry room. It's just decor, it's nothing like big or anything, but a few little things that we added to the laundry room to make it kind of cozy. Stay tuned if you want to see that, and here we go.
Want your kisses in the morning light, wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might, 'cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Na 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 na.
Okay, here we are going to move on to the laundry room. We ordered this rug from Rugs USA, and I had a hard time opening it. This clip is from a while back, as you can tell, since Willow's in there. But this is me trying to test out the color and see if we like it. I just put it on top of our old rugs there, and I think it's a go, so we're gonna keep it. It has a little orange in it, which I wanted, and I just love the faded. Actually, when I unrolled it, Scott was like, "Is it used?" He always makes a joke like that. He's so funny. But anyway, we're going to keep it, and we really like it. And then I also added a few things on the shelf. I'll insert a before clip right here, and you can see it's kind of plain. I did already have my containers that hold the detergent and dryer sheets, but I added a basket and some fake plants and a little light that's set on a timer. So in the evenings, it can just be on in the evenings, like from when it gets dark until around bedtime. And when you walk by the laundry room, whether you have laundry going or not, it kind of just puts on a little glow, and it just makes it cozy. We go from the living room back to the bedroom quite a bit in the evening, so this just keeps this little area from being so dark. And like I said, it just makes it feel cozy. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed yet, I would love for you to join the Living Gratefully family by hitting that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you get notified of all of our videos. And we'll see you back here for more Vlogtober videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. And look, y'all, I really need to do my hair, but I'm running out of time. Do y'all see that gray? I need to cover it, but one day. That'll be it. That will probably be in a Vlogtober video. It'll just probably be later in the month. I just don't know when I'm gonna fit it in.